Guys, so I'm going to be explaining how to make use of the Pia Proxy, you understand? So let's get straight into the video. All you just need is your browser to start with, then eventually I'll tell you how to get the app in the video. So just head over to your browser, then search piaproxy.com. Okay, alright. So once the site is loaded, you just give it time. Once it's loaded, okay, site is loaded. So you just click on this X button, then you click on this three dash. You get, then you see where to log in and create your account. But I've created my account. You understand? I've created my account. So if you've created your account and you're logged in, you can just click on your profile here. So now once you've created your account, you click on the three dash again. Now you see the sidebar has changed. So once you've come to this place, you click on Socks 5 Proxy. You understand? That is a proxy we're making use of. So once you've clicked on the Socks 5 Proxy, I'm going to give you a key alongside this video. So it does come and input the key. You copy the key here, you put it here, and you confirm it. So if you want to get the key, message me. The description link is in the message. The link to my DM is in the description video. You understand? Alright, so let me just explain now what's this proxy, why I like it. Okay, I like it that it doesn't expire, unlike the regular proxies that will make use of that. After 30 days it expires, so you don't have a time frame, but the expiration date of this is a daily proxy. Understand? Every day it depends. If you, so let's just say now you are seeing 50 proxies here, so basically these 50 proxies can last me for 2 months. You understand? Or in fact 3 months or 4 months, depending on the way I use it. So now all you just know is that once you connect to an IP, so let's just call this, like, call it your ticket every day, or ticket anytime you want to connect to a network outside the country. That's what I'll use as the significance of the IPs. You understand? So once you connect to one IP, it's going to be deducted from 50 to 49, and once it's deducted from 49, you have 24 hours to use that IP address before it expires. But then you use it again. Do you understand? So basically that is the whole basis of it. So if for 7 days you didn't use the proxy, you still have your IPs there, so you don't need to be renewing every month. You only have to pay for what you use. You understand? Like the regular 30 days proxy that you pay for what you do not use. Do you get me? Alright, so once you've redeemed your key, once you log in, you're going to see 0 IPs here. Once you log in, you're going to see 0 IPs. Then you click on redeem CD key. I'm going to give you a key, then you press confirm. So after confirming, the value of this will change from 0 to the different. It depends on the IP you buy from me. Understand? So after that, you want to click on, you pick any of your version of the device you're using. If you're using an Apple phone or a Mac laptop, or if you're using Windows, so you can use any of them. This beta is this where they release their new features to, you understand? So you can either go for the beta or the normal version. Then if you're using Android, you use that. If you're using Linux, you click on that. So you just pick on the operating system you are working with. So I'm using an Android right now, so I'll click on Android, then I'm going to download the app. So don't go to Play Store to download the app. If you go to Play Store, you're going to see pirated version of the apps. So you make sure you download from this site. You understand? So once you click on it, the download will start. Okay, you can see I already have the app already. So what you just need to do is to press download. Automatically to start downloading, then you see open. So once you click on open, it's going to install the app. So that was how I came about the app that you saw at the beginning of the video. That is this app. Yes. So one quick warning, make sure when you are creating your account, you don't use one IP address to log in. You don't use the same network. Just basically don't have more than one account. If not, your account is going to get banned. You understand? So just make sure you have one account. Don't make sure you don't have, if you need to have another account, make sure you connect to another network. That means, or you can on your airplane mode for about 30 seconds, then you on it back. That will change your normal local IP address. Then you can go ahead to log in or create into your other account. Understand? So the next thing to do is to click on the app to open it. Alright, so all you need to do is you need to log in. So me, I am already logged into the app. So once you come to this interface, make sure when you are creating your account, you don't use Google to create your account, because you want to be able to log into the app. Understand? So make sure you use email and password to create your account. Once you've created your account, you log in with the same details you used to create account on the website. Use it to log in here. Alright, so remember on the site I had 50 IPs here. On the site I have 50 IPs and it's showing here. So that is the same account. So once you've logged in, you come here, you're going to see the number of IPs you have here. Then you want to click on proxy list. So once you click on proxy list, now this is how to use the IPs and to get your IP address. You understand? So if you're searching for London, you're searching for UK, that is the Great Britain IP address, you want to click on country, then you type GBA. So make sure it's a country, then you type GB, then you search. So now you're going to see a lot of GB, a lot of the Great Britain IPs. You understand? So now this is another cool thing. You can maintain a particular internet service provider, that is ISP. You can maintain a particular ISP provider that will give quality to the survey accounts you are using. You understand? When you maintain one particular internet service provider, you understand? So you can click on state. So there are different states there's England. So all the IPs you're going to get will be from England. You can try let me see if we can remember another state in England. I think Northern Ireland. Yes, this is another state in England. So I mean the Great Britain. So they have about like 4 or 5 states, I think. Oh, sorry. Okay, there are a lot of states. There's still Scotland. Yes, I just remembered. There's Scotland. So one thing about this thing is when you're searching, you have to search in full or exactly what they have here. So you can see the stuff is in Scotland. You won't see another thing, so you to filter it out. So the next thing you can also search for is by city. So for example, we have London. So you're gonna see the city is it's gonna be streamlined to only London IPs. You understand? Then you can also search by ISP. For example, you're gonna use Virgin Media. So now if you search Virgin Media, you're gonna see it's gonna sorry, something is wrong here. Virgin Media. Okay, I guess that's not how this. So they are actually very keen with their spelling here. You understand? Let's try BT telecommunications. So let's get their spelling. So what is it? Do change to country, then GB. Then that way I'll be able to get. So you must actually use exactly the way it is here. So it must be British Telecommunications PLC. So you can actually look for how. Okay, it's Virgin Media Limited. Yeah, just remember. So you're gonna make sure you write it in full. Virgin Media Limited. Then you search. So that's when you see all the IPs are from Virgin Media. You understand? One episode of Virgin Media. So if you want it is BT Telecommunications Limited. Then PLC. Let's search that again. ISP British. Sorry. Is it? I'm sorry. Let me just get that again. Is it BT Telecommunications? Okay, British Telecommunications Limited. Sorry, I was typing BT Telecommunications Limited. Yeah, this is it. Sorry, not limited. It's Virgin Media Limited. I'm very sorry. British Telecommunications PLC. I didn't get that again. British Telecommunications PLC. Is it not the spelling of telecommunications? Communications PLC. Oh, it's in country. So British Telecommunications PLC. Yeah, gotcha. So British Telecommunications PLC. You can see these. Alright, so I'm gonna be picking an IP from here. So you can see British Telecommunications PLC. So now if you want to use this proxy, once you've gotten the IP address you want to use, all you just need to do is to click on this star sign you're seeing here. Yeah, you click on it, click on the star. Let's say I want to pick this next one in England. I'm gonna store it. Understand? So once you start as many as you can now come back. Then you come to collect. You understand? Come to collect. You should collect history. Sorry. Good. I'm having some network glitches and issues. Okay, something is wrong here. Let's open the app again. Alright, so once you've started all your IPs, you're gonna come to this tab here. Click on it. So now you're gonna see the IP. So I've started a lot of IPs here. So this is the IPs we started today. These two, if you remember, I just started them now. Alright, so now to connect to it, all you have to do is to come to collect here, then you click on the IP you want to connect to. So for example, if you want to connect to this one, so you just click on it. So now once you've clicked on it, you're gonna see the details here, right? Then all you just have to do is press this button to connect. Understand? So you just click on that. So now for the first time you're gonna receive a information from your phone. It depends on how your phone is, so you just have to accept it. So you're gonna see connecting. So now as I've connected to this proxy, for you can see the number of my IPs has been reduced from 50 to 49. So if you know you don't want to use proxy, you just off it, you understand? So you can come to history, you can see the expiry date. So if you know you've logged out of the app, just come back to here, then click on history. Then you can see that it's going to expire by 13:39. Oh, it's look at my time. So you have 24 hours on this proxy, understand? So that's basically how to use it. So now I'm disconnected, you can see. So you just have to do is come back here. You're gonna see the details here. If you don't see it, you come to history, you click on it, the details will appear here, then you connect to it. Once it's connected, you can come to control. So okay, so it's connected already. So now to show that it's connected, let's go back to our browser and confirm that. So there's word.net. So you can see this is the proxy we connected to. If you look at it, this is the IP address we connected to. So have a nice time connecting